Going to present my Java project, which is an interactive 8 puzzle game. This project is built using Java 17 Swing GUI and follows the object oriented programming approach. The main goal of this project is to create a user friendly puzzle where the players can move tiles manually and solve the puzzle. The 8 puzzle is a classic sliding puzzle. It contains 3 by 3 grid, as you can see it over here, and it numbers from 1 to 8 and one blank space. The player has to arrange all the tiles in the correct order by sliding into the blank space like this. The final solved state is 1, 2, 3 in the first row, 4, 5, 6 in the second row, and 7, 8 followed by the blank in the last row. When the application starts, it opens a clean swing window with a shuffled puzzle board, as you can see it over here. The user can click on any tile to move it. If the selected tile is next to the blank space, it moves successfully like this. If the tile is not next to the blank space, it counted as a wrong move. For example, if we click 6, as you can see it over here, it counted as a wrong move. One important feature of this project is that it tracks both right and wrong moves. And a right move means the user clicked a valid tile and that could move into the blank space. The wrong move means the user clicked the tile that was not movable at that time. And to make the project more user friendly, I have also added a small chart inside the interface. This chart visually compresses the number of right moves and wrong move. So instead of only showing the numbers, the user can quickly understand their performance while playing. As the project also includes total moves and which shows the total number of attempts made by the player, including the both correct and the incorrect moves. Along with this, the interface displays a status message that guides the user, as you can see it over here, that the previous move that was the wrong move, so please pick a tile that is next to the blank space. Along with this, the interface displays a status message, as I said. For example, it also tells user whether they have made a good move or not, like this. Yes, that it was a good move. Whether they made a wrong move, like this. Now it appears like this. And also when the puzzle is solved, there is a final message that yes, you have solved the puzzle. There are two main buttons in the application, that is reset and new game, as you can see it over here. The reset button brings the puzzle back to the starting arrangement like this, which is useful if the user want to try solving the same game again from the beginning. And the new game button generates a completely new shuffled puzzle which is solvable, so the user does not get stuck with an impossible board. From the programming point of view, the project is divided into different packages. As you can see it over here, there are different packages. So the model package, as you can see it over here, the model package, it contains puzzle board class. This class stores the board using two-dimensional integers like this. It also handles important logic like finding the blank tile, checking whether the tile can move, moving a tile, validating the board, and also checking whether the board is solvable or not. Next, moving to the UI package. So this UI package contains the graphical user interface, main frame, as you can see it over here, main frame, which creates the main window, board panel displays the puzzle tiles, and control panel. It contains the button, counters, status message, as well as the chart that we can see it over here, as I've shown you in the previous. Now moving further, as you can see the controller package, as I have already told you. Now the utils, let's move to the utils. The util package contains the helper method for creating the goal board and the generating a random solvable board. Yes, the goal board and the random solvable board. Now this project follows the MVC architecture, which stands for the model, view and controller. The model handles data and the game logic, whereas the view handles the interface and the controller manages for the communication between them. This makes the project easier to understand, maintains and extends in the future. Overall, this project demonstrates Java Swing object oriented design as well as user interaction, arrays and event handling, and also the basic game logic. It is not just an puzzle, it's not just an puzzle solver anymore. It is now an interactive game where the user actively plays, tracks their performance and improves their attempt. Thanks a lot.